we're going to go ahead and make a correlation table for these 4 variables in Excel. Okay, here we go. Let's get this over so you can see it. So we could do any 2 variables with a regular correlation using the regular function of X bar. Scrolling down to, make sure you're statistical, and then scrolling down to correlation. Where's correlation? There it is, correl. But it only does 2, right? So if we just did attachment and depression, it would give us correlation, right? But that's only 2, so we're not going to use that function. We're going to use this function. You're going to go to data up here at the top. Data analysis. If you don't have that, there's a little video. You got to go to File, go down here to Options on the bottom, and then you're going to go to Add-ins, and it should be Tool Packet, and you're going to click Go. Do not click OK, click Go, but that'll put that up there for you. So let's get back to this. We're going to go to Data, Data Analysis, and we want the correlation. Now here's the input range. This is the cool thing about Excel, is you could take the labels with you, the titles, put that in there, right? So, and don't get the patient number, that's not part of this deal. And we're going to click labels in the front row, right? And we're going to put the output. Make sure your cursor's in that box, and I want the output right here, right next to it. Boom. And there, my friends, this is your correlation table. Let me see if it's sweetened up a little bit here. And you'll notice it goes way out to like the billionth place value. Don't really care about that. But now you'll notice this diagonal, right? 1, 1, 1, 1. So any variable correlated to itself is always 1. That's why you got this diagonal of 1. And you'll notice that the top half up here is blank because it's the same. You would have these exact same numbers on the bottom up on top, right? Because, example, the correlation between anxiety and depression is the same as depression and anxiety, right? Wait a minute. Anxiety and depression, boom, is the same as depression and anxiety. That's why they left it blank. All right, so that's how this works. And now I'm going to make one for SPSS. So in SPSS, it'll tell you if these are significant correlations or not. But that's it for this one. MGZ out.